Welcome back to MBOX Frustrated User Guide. You're watching Episode 8, the Tanix TX6-P Experience, Part 1. Hoping to find a low-cost replacement for my 2016 MXQ Media Box, I ordered this 2019 Tanix TX6 for just $26 from China SmartView Digital on AliExpress. It looked fantastic. And the box I received is amazing in many ways. I do like it. But it's not the box I ordered. First, the case style is different. Normally, that shouldn't make any difference, except the box I ordered was supposed to come with an AliExpress by Tanix launcher. The box I received came with an AliExpress Lite launcher. AliExpress by Tanix is supposed to have built-in weather info on the home layout. The ads make a big deal of it. Don't get a cold. Now you can check weather info up to 7 days and any location. That feature is missing in AliExpress Lite. Weather info is not shown, and there's no way to turn it on. In case you think I'm the only one who finds these things odd, here's a post from someone else raising these very same issues on Tanix's Facebook page. I also find it odd that the settings and app drawer tiles on the main functions bar are reversed. Note where the gear tiles are located. No worries though, AliExpress by Tanix is supposed to have an auto update function. Tanix makes a big deal of that feature as well. We're told that OTA updates are completely independent from the operating system. AliExpress will auto update to its next version automatically. This feature is additionally documented online by Tanix Business Manager. Just open the pre-installed update app and check for online updates. I tried that several times. All I ever get is an all-white screen stating, "Now is the latest version." Obviously, a much newer version of AliExpress is available. Why doesn't auto update fetch it? Then there are hardware differences. The TX6 is supposed to have a blue power indicator LED to the left of the clock. The blue power indicator LED is not just shown in the ads, it's also listed under functions and features. But the blue power indicator LED doesn't light up on the box I received, and that's because it's not there. The TX6 is also supposed to have dual Wi-Fi antennas. Tanix makes a very big deal of it. But the box I received doesn't have an internal antenna. Here's a top view of the PCB. And here's a bottom view. No internal antenna to be found, but lots of flux residue seen. Don't know what you're looking for? Here's what the internal Wi-Fi antenna looks like in my 2016 MXQ MBOX. And here's an internal Wi-Fi antenna pulled from a typical smart TV. Still don't believe me? Well, there's someone on FreakTab who reviewed this very same model. Note that the antenna pads on his box are on the top of the PCB and that there are 2 coax cables soldered to them. Also note the size of the heatsink attached to the CPU. Now here's another look at mine. The antenna pads are on the bottom of the PCB. There's only 1 coax to be seen. The heat sink on the CPU is much smaller than his. The two circuit boards are completely different. Still skeptical? Well, here's what that second Wi-Fi antenna, when present, actually looks like. Note, it's at the end of the second coax. Now, even though the box I received still works with the whip antenna removed, a few inches of coax does not by any stretch of the imagination qualify as a second internal antenna. Suggesting that it does is false advertising. Then there's alleged DVD support. External DVD players like these that work perfectly on my Mecool M8S Pro don't even spin up when connected to the Tanix TX6 I received. Trying to get them to work is a waste of time because it's another falsely advertised feature. In case you're wondering, I reported all of this to Tanix, the presumed OEM. No response yet. And I sent a similar report to Yojia, the alleged fabricator. And of course, I notified the vendor, China SmartView Digital. Now I'm not blaming the vendor. The people at China SmartView work hard and they are just reselling whatever the fabricator sold them. And the fabricator is most likely making exactly what the OEM told them to make. So, thinking very carefully about this, I actually blame Tanix, not Yojia or China SmartView, for falsely advertising the product. And false advertising is the problem. As of today, August 20, 2019, all three companies are still falsely advertising the Tanix TX6 as having Alice UX by Tanix, weather info, OTA auto updates, power indicator LED, dual Wi-Fi antennas, DVD support, and so on. That's quite different from the box China SmartView sold me. Is it a fake? Given the evidence just presented, it's a reasonable question. If so, where can you get the genuine article? See where this goes next time on Part 2 of the Tanix TX6-P experience. Thanks for watching.